honestly, it is kind of cool for stuff like trolling or just wanting to look cool in a way that isn't cool, in a way that doesn't cost your Robux. And you guys know I don't use Robux. So let's get into it. So I changed my avatar back to my normal one to show y'all how to do it. So basically, once you're on your home page, which is web.roblox.com, you want to click here on the side, avatar, and you're going to be here, which will load in a sec. And that's going to be where you can change your avatar, alright? So basically, what you want to do now is, so you see that I'm wearing all of these different things. So you want to unequip every last thing. Like everything. And I'll tell you what it's going to look like after I take off everything. And when I mean everything that's got a tick on it. Like even torsos. Like it has got to look like blocky. And colors can be random, which I can fix later, but it has to be blocky, and that's how it's got to be. So remove everything. So once you remove everything from your avatar, it should look sort of blocky like this. And the only thing you should actually really keep is the trim head. You should keep the trim head, and that's all you should really do. Then from there, you should go to body, and from there you have to go to skin tone. Under skin tone, advanced. And under advanced, copy what I show. So don't choose anything in all, because that's going to make your entire avatar the exact same color. So for head, you want to choose 3rd row, 5th column, this yellow. For torso, you want to do 5th row, 4th column. For your arms, you want to do the exact same as your head, which was 3rd row, 5th column. And then as for your legs, you want to make them this particular shade of green. It's right under the yellow you were using, and is 4th row and 5th column. So basically, once you do that, you should be able to see your noob avatar, as I'll show you. Oh, and if you want to add a little bit more of a newbie touch to it, remember to select R6 and keep your body type at 0. Because if you make your body type like any different, then it's not going to be the original avatar. Now, once you do that, your noob avatar will be finished. If you want to save it as a costume, and you can go with whatever you want it to do. You can troll, and you can just like anything, even roleplay. It's all up to you. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.